Today I am going to review gigs website for freelancers, and gig websites means that you can post your gigs for very small amount like $5, $3, and you can get jobs. Okay, so it is easier to get jobs for small amount there because people, it's human psychology that paying in small amounts or small sections, we don't get much pain. Okay, so it is easier for us to pay in small transactions like $5, $10. Okay, so first website is this Fiverr. It is very popular. You can create your account. You can have multiple gigs over here. So make sure that you have multiple gigs in multiple categories. So get most of your exposure. So expose yourself as much as you can. Then we have this website Crookster. It is similar to Fiverr. It also have a lot of gigs you can see over here. And it also shows you gigs which are more than $5. You can see over here. Okay, so this is how this website works. Then we have a similar website Gigbucks, and it has a lot of categories and it has a list view. I haven't tried it, but these are different options you can try. Okay, so then another one is this Task Army. I really like this one. I haven't tried it, but from the appearance I think it have a lot of good options. Like you can see $10 per hour. You can also give your hourly rate over here. This is good because it is not a fixed gig. Okay, so this is one of them. Then we have this Fiverr app. It is also similar to Fiverr. I don't like its interface very much, but if you can get jobs from here, I think it's good for you. Then we have this Zirk.com, and they have micro jobs from $5 to $1,000. So this is good then, that in a sense that you can post your gigs which are more than $5. Like you can see over here $50, $75, $100, $313. It is good. Okay, then if you are in the SEO business, then you can go ahead and grab this site SEOclerks.com and post jobs over here. They have a lot of jobs. You can see, you can filter by price. Okay, so this is SEOclerks.com. Then I have another website for SEO work. This is Source Market, and they provide backlinks, social signals, content creation, PNB. I don't know much of these terms. Keyword research, YouTube SEO, site creation, a lot of different packages you can see over here in different prices. This is all for the gigs websites. Try to create your account on most popular 2 or 3 gigs website and see what is the response. It is good if you are in the beginning of your career. You should try these websites. Okay, so let's move on to the next lesson.